My name is Andrew Battenhorst. I'm the body shop manager here at Pacific BMW's Collision Center. I've been using Sikkens paint since 2009 at another facility, and then we started using it here in this facility around 2018. Sikkens has the best color matching process out of any paint line that I've ever seen. The camera system that they have is fantastic, and it really makes it easy for us to get a great color match in one shot using their system and not wasting time and material. So as a Sikkens customer, we're also granted access to the Acoat program, which really sets them apart from any other paint line in the market. There's no one else that's willing to invest as much time in developing your business in all aspects. That could be from recruiting, marketing, shop layout, setting up standard operating procedures, the shop organization and workflow. They really go the extra mile, far beyond any other paint manufacturer I've ever seen. So I can attribute a lot of my own personal success as a member of this industry to Acoat. The leadership training I've received, the technical training, everything revolving around our processes and systems, all is derived from working with Acoat. The shop itself was really struggling when I first got here. Within 1 year of using the Acoat Select program, we were able to get in third place overall in the entire country. And this most recent year, we actually took first place home, which is something I'm very proud of our team for doing and very grateful for Acoat supporting us in achieving these successes. I've been a Carbide user now for about 4.5 years. What stood out to me about Carbide to make it so attractive to implement in our shop was the fact that there is so much reporting behind it and data analysis. I'm a big data guy, and I like being able to track that information and be able to find out where the issues are in my shop very quickly and help get the team back where they need to be. Carbide creates value for us by its transparency. It really makes it simple to see very quickly what's going on in our shop at a moment's glance. Anybody can use that on a cell phone, on the touch screen, on a workstation. Very versatile, and it makes it very simple for any level of employee in the shop, or even above me to the owner, to be able to know what's going on. The wide array of reports that you have available make it very powerful in terms of a coaching and management tool. And again, that it's very simple. It does not require a lot of training to be able to use this software almost immediately. It can really help reduce the questions and issues that most common body shops face by not having a system like this. To summarize Carbide in one word is really hard. There's so many great features about it, but if I had to choose just one, I would just say versatility. If you're on the fence about using Carbide, I would highly recommend you reach out to your local Acoat representative, or I'd even be happy to talk to you to kind of give you a crash course about what it's like. It really revolutionized my shop, and you're missing out if you're passing by this opportunity.